And also guys, don't you hate it when people do skincare videos and then they come on with a full face of makeup? Like, where's the skin? Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Ice Cream for those of you that are new to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you're updated whenever I post a new video. For those of you that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. So today's video, I don't know if you can see, but my face is a bit wet. So I basically wanted to talk to you about some ordinary products, and some skincare disaster that I had, and basically just educate you not to make the same mistake I did. So as I'm doing that, I'm just going to be finishing off the rest of my nighttime skincare routine, which is, oh, I forgot my toner, hold on, got the toner. Okay, so yes, I am starting to dry up now. Let me finish patting it dry. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to basically just be finishing off my nighttime skincare routine because it is literally like 10:04 p.m. I should be in bed now. Got an early start tomorrow. But yeah, so I'll do this as I talk you through what happened to me. Okay, so basically it all started 1 June. It was last June before I went, oh, too much toner. Before I went, it was like, I don't know, a month before I attended a wedding. Then I went on one of my, oh my god, I want to get like proper into skincare. Oh, my lips. Okay, I just had to put something on my lips because it was just dry as the Sahara Desert. Okay, so yeah, last June I think it was, yeah, just before I went to a wedding. And I decided that I wanted to up my skincare game. I go through these phases from time to time, and yeah, so I basically was like binge watching a load of skincare YouTube videos, including one that I watched from Aisha Haroon, and I remember her saying how she mentioned a product that she used that she absolutely loved, and it was I think it was called Ola Henriksson. It's like a toner in a blue bottle, and it was meant to get rid of it's meant to like be really good for getting rid of dark marks and stuff. So I thought, oh wow, okay, that sounds really good. That sounds like something that I would quite like. So I bought that, and on my binge watching I bought a whole load of other things as well, including these two, the ordinary products. Okay, so these two, so the alpha arbutin 2% and the AH 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. Okay, so I bought these two products right here, and the Ola Henriksson, which I now don't have, I'll explain in a second. And then I was like dabbling in using some of my mum's serums as well. So I bought all these products. They came within like a few days, and I was so excited to try them all. So I was like using them as soon as they came, started using them all. I think this was the only one that I didn't use for quite a while because I was kind of just scared. This one here, I was a little bit scared to use it, if I'm perfectly honest, because I thought, acid, like what, crazy. So this was kind of like left to the side for a while. But this, the Ola Henriksson, and then like dabbling with some of my mum's serums, and then my skin texture just went crazy. Like my skin did not like what I was doing to it. The texture went crazy, and I noticed that my face was really itchy. It got really itchy, and I was just like, oh my god. And because obviously I started using a whole load of new products at the same time, I had no idea what was causing the itching and the textured skin. So yeah, I had a feeling that it was that toner, so I kind of stopped using it for a bit, and I continued using this. Now this alpha arbutin one is meant to get rid of like dark marks and stuff, so again, that's what kind of attracted me to this one. And this is for kind of, it's just a chemical exfoliant, so obviously it's just generally good for getting rid of dead layers of skin. So yeah, back to my story. So I stopped using the Ola Henriksson one because I figured it was probably that one, and then I ditched some of the serums. One of the serums that I was using as well, that I was using my mom's one, was the Clinique, oh my god, the name's totally just escaped my mind, but it's like really popular, like loads of people use it in the brown bottle, really expensive. So I was like using some of my mom's one, and I don't know if my skin didn't like it or not, but anyway, I'm gonna continue because my skin's drying. So yeah, I kind of was like, I don't think all these serums are working for me. I tried the what do you call it, the Body Shop's youth something, whatever you call it. I can't see what I'm doing, I've got no mirror here. What I do, yeah, I tried the Body Shop youth whatever, light youth, I don't know. I'm not doing very well here, am I? I'll leave a picture. I tried that. I was literally trying so many different products that obviously like I wouldn't even have known what was working, what wasn't. So yeah, it wasn't very good. I don't think I've put enough on. I can actually see how much I came out. But yeah, so I was using so many different products, it was just not good at all. Didn't know what was working, what wasn't. So yeah, like I said, I ditched the Ola Henriksson one to see how my skin fared, and it was a lot. The itching I feel like stopped, so I do feel it was that. But the annoying thing is I literally had this wedding, so I went to this wedding and my skin texture was so bad. Luckily with the makeup I managed to kind of mask it a bit, but in the like sunlight, like I don't know if people could see it, but I could see it, like ugh. And I'll try and find a picture and insert it, and literally I just thought to myself, why would you try a whole load of different products like at the same time, because you wouldn't know what works and what's not working. So yeah, don't try that, guys. Like, don't even make that mistake that I did. And yeah, so I eventually ended up giving the Ola Henriksson away because I tried it again like maybe like 3-4 months later, maybe a bit longer than that actually, and I just felt like it was doing the same thing. So it was making my face feel a bit itchy. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave that. I'm not gonna use that anymore. It was quite painful because I paid like £20 for it. So I was like, okay, yep, that's it. The ordinary ones have been working quite well. So I finally tried this one. So this one, like I said, this was from June that I got it, but I had only used it maybe like, well, not much, I couldn't tell you how many times, but not much at all. So I'm going to try and be consistent with this one, and then do this once maybe a month, or maybe twice a month. You're not meant to do it more than twice a week because it is acid, obviously. When I do this, then I tend to not do this for a few days. I don't know if that's how I'm meant to do it or not, but it's just because they both contain hyaluronic acid, so I'm just like, I don't want to overdose my face with acids kind of thing. And also I've got like a spot right here which literally, it's getting smaller, I can feel now, but it's been there for the longest time. So I'm like, I wonder if I should get the salicylic acid one as well and like use it as a spot treatment. If anybody knows whether like you really shouldn't mix all these things together, let me know down below. But yeah, and also something that I really want to get from The Ordinary is the glycolic acid 7% solution toner, because I've been watching reviews on that, and it looks so good. Like, I've seen so many black girls review it, and the kind of results that they have is amazing, and like, yeah, people just rave about it. So I'm like, ooh, I want in on that. But the reason I haven't bought it, I was so close to buying it actually, and then I saw that actually Boots, some Boots stores will be selling it, and some Boots stores already sell some Ordinary products. But yeah, so I was like, that's quite cool. But yeah, I didn't buy it because I didn't want to overdose again on the acids. So I thought maybe when this red one runs out, then maybe I will try it, or maybe when the alpha arbutin one runs out, then I'll try like switching to the acid and not to the glycolic acid toner, and then not doing the serum, and maybe try to find a different serum. but we'll see. But yeah, so I'm basically using the serum every day, twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, and yeah, see how it goes. I do feel like it's starting to lighten some of my dark marks that I have on my face. I mean, I don't have like a ridiculous amount of them, but I do have a few. And the thing is, like with my skin in the summer, it tends to be at its best. So in the summer my skin will usually be clear, all the dark marks will go. My skin just loves the sun. But yeah, I'm just hoping that by using these products it'll speed it up. And the Ordinary products as well, if you don't know, are so extremely cheap and affordable, so affordable. I can't remember the exact price, I'll display it on the screen. This is not more than £7, and this one as well, not more than £7. They are so cheap. And the glycolic acid toner that I want to get is like also less than £7. It's crazy, it's so affordable. So yeah, I really do like the Ordinary products, and you don't feel it's like, you know, it's a risk trying it out, because even if it doesn't work for you, you've lost what, £6 or whatever, you know. So yeah, I absolutely love the Ordinary products. Don't make the same mistake as I did. It wasn't clever what I did. Like, and if you're gonna do that, if you're gonna experiment, don't do it for a wedding or an event that you're going to. That was not clever at all. But yeah, this is my night routine done. But yeah, this as well, by the way, I've not really mentioned. So I used it for the first time in a long time last week. Me and my mom, we had like a pamper night. It was so nice, because I bought a steamer recently. So yeah, we did the whole thing. It was so nice. And use this, and I just remembered like how fabulous it is. It's so good. Literally your skin feels like a baby's bum. Like till this day my skin feels so nice. So it's really good. It really does exfoliate your skin. So yeah, I will come back in like maybe a month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, we'll see, and just see kind of how my skin fares with kind of more of a long-term usage of these products. And if I get the glycolic acid 7% toner, I'll let you know. But yeah, just thought I'd come, have a little chit chat with you, update you on some products, and make sure you don't make the same mistake as I did. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you next week. Bye. Time to go to bed, Aish. Oh, I didn't moisturize my lips.